Welcome to AI Explains It All. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics to explore the structure of DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for life. It's like a blueprint for building and maintaining an organism. Let's take a closer look at its intricate structure. DNA has a unique double helix structure, which looks like a twisted ladder. This shape is crucial for its function and stability. The sides of the ladder are made up of sugar and phosphate molecules, forming the sugar-phosphate backbone. The rungs of the ladder consist of pairs of nitrogenous bases. There are 4 types of nitrogenous bases in DNA: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. These bases pair in a specific way. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine always pairs with guanine. This complementary base pairing is held together by hydrogen bonds, ensuring the DNA's structure is stable and can be accurately copied. During DNA replication, the double helix unwinds, and each strand serves as a template for creating a new complementary strand. This process ensures that genetic information is accurately passed on during cell division. DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes, which are found in the nucleus of cells. Specific segments of DNA, called genes, carry the instructions for making proteins, which perform most of the functions in our bodies. The sequence of the nitrogenous bases determines the genetic code. Even small variations in this sequence can lead to genetic diversity, which is why no two individuals are exactly alike. And that's a quick look at the structure of DNA. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to AI Explains It All for more fascinating explanations. Have a topic you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.